Hi guys. Today I'm out in nature. What? No, my blanket's touching the ground. Anyways, so since I wasn't able to do it at all this week, I'll do it this week. Band review today. Here we go. So the most mentioned one was Fall Out Boy. My oh my. Now, do I like Fall Out Boy? Oh my god, yes! I've listened to Fall Out Boy since I was a kid. Well, technically I'm still a kid, but I mean like a little kid. They're just the best. They make me really happy. Well, all of my favorite bands make me equally happy. And the first song I ever listened to by Fall Out Boy was Dance Dance. You know, their huge hit single. Gosh dang it. That dropping my... Ow. And my favorite song by them, you know, I can't really pick a favorite, but I mean, because they're all good. But then again, I'd probably have to say like Thanks for the Memories or something, because you know it's really clever. Or Our Lawyer Made Us Change the Name of this song. I'm like, these bands, they come up with really clever names, I swear. Now the second most mentioned, was Imagine Dragons. Do I like Imagine Dragons? Oh my god, yes! Another one! That's, oh my god, yes. They're just so cool. I mean, their style, the way they make their music, is just, mwah! First song I ever heard by them? You know, like the first song ever, Radioactive. You know. And my favorite song by Imagine Dragons is Demons. For special reasons. It reminds me of myself, really. It's just a nice song. And last, but certainly not least, my dears, the third one that was most mentioned, because I actually asked all of my friends. I spent an entire school day asking all of my friends what bands I should talk about. So, now, like I was saying, lastly, but certainly not least, One Direction. I mean, come on. I know I expect you guys to be like, what? No, ew, gross. Yeah. Like, well, good thing I have my One Direction sweater on today to review them. Yes. So do I like One Direction? Yes, I very much so do. They were my very first favorite band, like I've mentioned in my 10 facts. They're just so adorable, and they just make me feel happy. Before I got into my relationship, I really hated myself. So, knowing that I had One Direction to tell me I'm pretty, it felt nice. So, they kind of have a special place. And, yeah. First song I ever heard by them. Well, like, their very first song ever, like Imagine Dragons. What makes you beautiful? Bam, bam. My favorite song, oh boy, this is a toughie. I can't really pick. It's either Stole My Heart, Story of My Life, Little Things, just beautiful, beautiful songs, and beautiful, beautiful boys. My. So yeah, band review, nature. That's it for today. I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully. Hopefully I don't take forever like I did. So, I'll see you guys later.